Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you my all friends, fans and fans, my all friends, good evening, have a nice day, beautiful and different with beautiful ideas. How are you my all friends? I am fine and I hope my all viewers and all friends are also fine and doing well with good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. Very nice. Today's my collection is very beautiful, outstanding ideas, beautiful crochet pattern, crochet maxi dresses ideas for modern girls. So please girls, you must watch my video till the end. Very nice and outstanding crochet pattern, crochet maxi dresses ideas, long maxi, different colors and different styles, beautiful different ideas, crochet pattern, handmade knitting ideas. So please viewers, you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and beautiful handmade knitting ideas, different colors, different style, long maxi dresses ideas. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet maxi, and some are beautiful light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors and beautiful ideas, different styles. And you can wear these crochet maxi dress ideas in any party like college birthday, uni function, and any wedding function. So please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. And viewers, when you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about different and update crochet pattern. Very nice and outstanding, beautiful, good looking ideas, top trendy and beautiful stylish ideas. So viewers, please like and share my video with your family, friends. Put me in comment section and you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet pattern. Hopefully you like this beautiful maxi dresses ideas, long maxi dress for beautiful young and slim smart fit girls. You can see many more ideas about crochet pattern like crochet panchu, blouses, caplets, skirts, shirts, top blouses, maxi, handbag, table runner, bed sheet, cushion, cover ideas and different ideas. Beautiful different ideas, crochet pattern. Very nice. When you wear this crochet pattern, you look more beautiful, gorgeous, pretty doll and young girls, slim smart fit girls. Very nice, outstanding and good looking ideas. Very nice and beautiful ideas, top trendy stylish ideas, most demanding, most wearing ideas. Mostly girls beautiful, like beautiful this different crochet maxi ideas and demand this crochet pattern. Very nice. Okay viewers, thanks for watching my video. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me.